Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Avner, and today we're going to be learning how to make a graph. First, let's start. We have to import a library called Networks-X, and as short form NX. By the way, we're going to learn these libraries later on these programmings. Then import, I think some of you might know this if you did Python before, matplotlib dot pyplot as plt. Oh, plot is spelled wrong. Next, we have to make our graph. G equals to nx network x dot graph. We're going to talk about these libraries later. Next is, okay, we have to add the nodes. So G dot add, my bad, node A. Let's use our annotator now. Where's shapes? So let's make a circle over here. We have a node, and here, okay, we have a node here called A, like as I said. Then, same thing, add another node, B. Or you know what? We can make this easier then, if I want it for you guys to do. Sam. Next thing is Bob. And after adding that, we have to use, so we add a new node. Bob, let me erase. Bob, where is it? We're just gonna write B for now. That should go away. We're gonna write Bob for now, because we have that big space. That A on the other side should be, let's just, so that new node is Bob. We're just gonna put B for now. Okay, S for Sam, don't forget, and B for Bob. S for Sam and B for Bob. Oh, my bad. Let's go back. Then we add the next node, which is going to be Lil. Yeah, Lil, no wait. Lil guy. So, Lil guy is our last node. I can write here LG. Lil guy. Lil guy. We haven't connected it yet. Now we're going to, by adding edges. G dot add. By the way, if you know what I mean by edges, then that's good. G dot add edge Sam, comma, Now we're adding Sam, S to B, Sam to Bob. Okay, because Sam wanted to go to Bob's house, so we're connecting it now. Same thing we do for the next one. G dot at edge, Bob to little guy. Little guy to LG. Now Bob is going to little guy's house. Then after that, Bob to Sam. So little guy to Sam. My bad. Little guy to Sam. Little guy to Sam. So this over here is our graph. It's finished. This is the undirectional. This is the undirectional graph. Okay. And I'll just erase some things like that. Okay, that's good. Now, let's run it. It should be coming. It should be coming. Let me just, do something. Is it coming yet? Okay. This usually takes some time, so I'm finding where for it. Yeah, VNC. This one. Oh, that's actually my bad. Next, we have to do nx dot draw. So we're drawing the graph. So basically, we've did the logic here, but now we're drawing the graph into, like, plotting it into this the coding. Like, you know what I mean by that. G, plotting the graph in. Then plt dot show. So matplotlib.pyplot will show it. So we can run finally. So as you can see here, we don't have any labels yet. But if we do comma with labels equals to true, meaning we can add the labels underscore, we have the label. So I think this is too much. But you can see here, this is basically the same thing. This is the same, it's not the same graph how you think it looks like. But it's still correct, okay? For Sam, Bob, then little guy. This is undirectional and the unweighted graph. Okay, we're going to do directional and weighted graph in the next video. Okay? This video we were just doing the coding for graph, the undirectional and unweighted graph. Okay? So thank everyone for listening about my video about the undirectional and unweighted graph. for the coding. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it, and